Hi, welcome to Guide with Samuel. Want to play Steam games without spending a single dollar? Here's how to get legit Steam games completely free. No hacks, no tricks. First, head to steamdb.info and click on Free Promotions. This page shows all games currently being given away for free on Steam. Bookmark it and check back regularly so you never miss a deal. Next, check out Reddit's r/free game findings. It's a community where users post links to free games and promo codes, often before they go mainstream. A great place to stay one step ahead. Now, visit giveaway websites like giveaway.su, Indie Gala, and Humble Bundle. They regularly offer free Steam keys, especially for indie games. Just sign up and complete simple tasks like joining a Steam group or following a social page. Don't forget Steam's own free-to-play section. On the Steam store, click Free-to-Play to find hundreds of games you can download and enjoy instantly. Some premium games also go free for a limited time, so watch out for those. Finally, follow game developers and publishers on social media, especially Twitter, Discord, and their email lists. They often share free Steam keys or promo events directly with their followers. And that's how you can start playing amazing Steam games without spending a dime. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and check out more quick guides on our channel.